Hey, hi, hello everyone. Here we are going to explain or we are going to show you the end-to-end project, how we can analyze the data, visualize the data through Excel, and every step you are going to learn from pre-processing to processing, then visualization. So we'll just analyze the data and try to provide the report, a dashboard, a very simple dashboard for our client. All right, let's move forward and try to finish that project right now. So here we are right now. I hope this screen is visible. Everything is fine. So master the complete process from raw data to interactive dashboard, data cleaning, analysis, visualization, and business intelligence. Everything we are going to learn in this particular season. Alright, so let's move forward. Course introduction and project goal. Learn the complete Excel data analysis workflow. Build a practical business intelligence skill, hands on with real data. All right, now everything I'll show you, and these are certain rows and columns. And what is common raw data challenges? You can find a duplicate value, missing values, inconsistent formatting, incorrect data types. All right, these are the values which you can find. Now let's move forward and try try to understand what data we have. So we need to understand data cleaning first, which comes under pre-processing. All right, where we can cover the parts such as removing duplicates, removing null values, and all. Thereafter, exploratory analysis, visualizing with charts and all. All right, so highlight top and bottom. Everything is fine. Let's take a look of a project. We're having a messy data right now. Come on here. Everything is going to be practical now. All right. If you're having this messy data and it's a huge data we're having right now, we can't scroll, but can use the shortcuts. And let me tell you the shortcuts to go here and there to check the data. Come on here right now. Okay. And control it and do it just a moment. So in that way, you're going to get the data. All right. Now we need to customize the data and we need to make the better formatting of every cell so that it can fit itself, all right, in the better way. And this is date column, and this is channel SKU category is this. Thereafter, here are certain channels quantity, all right, and let me make it proper right now. Just a moment. Do it proper. Okay, fine. Now everything is fine. All right. Now this is messy data. All right. So let's press Control and down arrow. I mean Control down arrow once again. Control down arrow. Then I am over here, and here you can see this is last column, which is 31,000 something data we are having right now. Okay. Now we need to handle a couple of things. We need to make it a perfect data set. How we can do that? So inside the pre-processing, let me tell you how many steps are there to become a data analyst and provide the better reports to become the business analyst and all. So we are having a three crucial tasks to take away. First one is pre-processing. We need to process the data. I mean, we need to clean the data, and inside the cleaning, there are different things such as removing duplicates values and removing blanks and null values. And there are third one, we need to make the format, what are the formatting we want. All right, let's try to understand that. So let's select entire data and entire sheet and apply one toggle bar here so that we can filter the data, and we need to understand sorting and filtering as well. Control Shift and press L after selecting the entire table. All right. Now, if we can observe over here, here we are having a blank values. All right. So let's go with the blank values and try to handle those values. Unselect everything. All right. Now select the blank values only. Select the blank values. If you can see here, there are three blank values. So we found three blank values, and now let's delete those values right away. So select all the values. I mean, don't do this. Just a moment. All right. Now select that and this as well. Now control and minus. Now those, I mean, rows I have been deleted. Now there is no blank values. Come on here and just select all and check now. Now there is no blank value. All right. So there is no blank value inside this, or neither we'll find blank values over here. All right. This is also perfect. Check this one. Here also, yeah, there is a messy data here because we need two categories. First one, gender could be two, one man, another one is women, not more than that. All right, so there are three to four categories. For men itself, there is two categories: men, w, women. So we need two categories, so we need to replace those things. All right, and inside this, everything in the date format. That's okay. That's okay. And here, so from this we can find the month easily. All right, but for now, for here also everything is fine, quite good enough. So there are certain places where we need to customize the things. Along with number, there is a string, we need to fix that out. So inside cleaning, we remove the blank values. Let's see if there is any duplicate value exists in this column or not. So come on here, and inside the data tab, there is a highlight duplicates. Let me let's remove the duplicates. If there would be any value, it will get removed. There are two duplicate value found. All right, remove those duplicate values. What is the problem? Two duplicates are found, have been deleted. All right, only unique values remained. All right, so now we handle two things. First one, removing duplicate values or removing the null values. All right, mean blanks. Third step, to make the formatting. Let let's see, this this need a formatting here. So what we can do here, inside this, let's say control, press H, or either we can replace that thing. Just a moment. So I need to find something. Here is some blank values as well, which we need to have. But let's see, in this column there is a blank value. Oh, why there is a blank values once again? So let's handle those blank values first. All right, let me see how there is a blank values. Remove everything. Come on here. here, and oh, those are two blank values. Remove those values now. Control and minus. Now there is no blank values, and come on here, select all. Now everything is fine. All right, now there should not be any blank value. All right, so we remove the blank values now. Now everything is quite good enough. First, just we need certain things to be changed. Come on here, here. All right, and now select this column, control plus H, and here you can replace the things. Let's say I want to replace, I mean, women with F. All right, and click on replace all. Immediately it will replace the values. And now not only this, I want to replace W with F as well. All right, replace everything, got replaced. And now I want to replace men with M. Click on replace all, and it got replaced. Now come on, come on here. Now we can see there are two categories. First one is M, another one is female, and now we are good enough. All right, we are good to go. So here's how we can make the data clean and neat. All right, neat and clean. This is age group, and everything is fine in age group. All right, this is data, this is delivery status, and come on here. Here is something messy called 1 and 2. Replace those things as well. Select and control plus H. All right, let's say 1 and 1 and replace all. We choose a very wrong column. Choose this one, this one. All right, now let's do control H. Do it and replace all, and you find 13 values and everything is fine. Now what else is there? There is 2 as well, so remove that one as well. Alt, I mean control plus H. Here you can replace this thing as well. 2, replace with 2. All right, close it now. Here's the currency, here's amount, and I think amount is filled up with numerical values only. All right, this is fine, perfect. What about this? And everything is fine. Rest, I don't think there is any change required, or we can customize a lot of things here if we want, but for now I think everything is fine for now. We can use many functions of the strip function to remove the spaces if required, but in my case everything is fine here, and we are clean, we are good to go. Let's find a new column. I mean, let's make a new column by the name month only. So there is no column by the name month. So how we can find the month? Let's insert one column here. Insert the column on the left side. Let's give the name to this column, say month. Here you go. And how we can find the month? There are a lot of several ways to find the month after this. So this is date, and select it, select it here too, and say control V, then paste it as a value. All right, and now come on here, select the date formatting, say short date and customize it. Now you can see we're having the data in the in that format, but I need in month format. Then what I can do, select the entire column, come over here and go in customization. We are here right now and I need just a month. Then what I can do, I just need a month. Let's see if I'll do. I need a month only. So let's see triple M. Then what will happen? Let's see in that way. Now I'm getting a month over here, but in not in numeric. I mean, I'm getting a month, but not. I don't need month in numerical column. I mean, it should be by the month name. So we need the abbreviation. Then let's see what we can do. Here I need in that way, right? So in January and February, in that way I need the month. Come on here once again and try to come inside the date and do it triple M, one more M, and let's see what will happen. Now we can see we are having a data a little better format. I mean, through the month we can see here we're having December and Jan and Feb, something like that, and try to come down. Here you can see Jan, here you can see December. All right, so we are having a month now, month column. No, let's give the name month. All right, everything is fine now. We are having a month column, we are having date column, deliver status, this and that, and we are having, okay, so we are having a is over here. Let's say if I want the category, I mean is category to define whether, so let's make the is category. All right, let's create a new column by the name is group. Give the name is group. Is group, it would be easier to identify after making the is group. All right, so here I'm having a is group column. Now let's say what I want, I will use if is, I mean not is but this is greater than equal to, I mean is what is happening, is greater than and equal to, greater than equal to 18. Let's say 18, 18, 18. Say teenager, what you can say, teenagers. All right, rest, if it's not greater than 18, then what you can say, child. All right, what is the problem, we can say child to it. All right, so now let's say if it would be, if it would be true, then it will say teenager, or rest it will say child, or let's use another if else here, to square bracket. Where is the square bracket? Just a moment. Where is square bracket here? Here is the square bracket. All right. Now let's say if use the same function called if here f2, I mean the same value f2 is a greater than 25, or let's say 30, greater than greater than equal to 30, I mean 30, then let's say we can say it mature. All right, else we can say a senior, else whoever is remained, I mean we can say let's say senior, there is a teenager, there is a senior, and there is a child. Say it's senior. Rest, uh, we can say young. All right, and now close it, and now close this as well. If there is no problem, the formula you enter contains error. If you do not wish use formula insert single quotation, where we need to insert the single quotation, let me figure out. Till now I think everything is fine, or if there is any problem, let me check it now. All right, just a moment. I'm just trying to observe that where is the problem. So if I'll just see this formula once again, there is two value. If true, then it will execute, and f2, I think everything is fine. 18 and 30 as well. So just a moment. Now let me check once again. Here we go once again. If there is no error, then try to hit enter, and let's see. Now I think it's working well, and apply this same formula to all. Now we are having how many categories? There are three categories now. So we're okay. So we were supposed to using this syntax. What rest everything is fine. So this is the another syntax. All right. So there is a syntax called if, then round bracket we are supposed to give, and not square bracket. That was my fault, and now everything is fine. If, and thereafter we can see here the formula is fine and working well, and oh, we are having everything, and we are good to go. All right, so now let's move forward. We are having everything, and everything is clean up, everything in clean way. Let's see, there are two columns: senior, teenager, and there is no younger one. All right, fine. So now what we need to do next, we need to control and select entire table. Once you done that, what we need to do, we just need to insert a pivot table here, and here everything is already static, I mean fixed. So now create a new worksheet. Inside gender, give the uh, gender we can give in rows. What is this? All right. So this I want to give here as a value. Let me drag it here. Unable to drag it here first, and now drag it here. All right, and now drag the purchase. Where is the amount? Here is the amount in values. All right, so here you can see the male versus female values are listed over here. All right, now we are able to find a lot of things. All right, so firstly we are having a question, the answer of one question, which is of answer of one question, which is that how many females and males are purchasing, and what is the graph between those values. So we are going to plot a graph, pie graph, uh, male versus female. How many males are, like, who is winning in sale in purchasing. So females are winning in purchasing. You can see the data. So how we can move forward? Let's do it in another sheet, and I'm gonna give the sheet name. Let's give the sheet name here. Let's merge those things first. Merge and center. We need to click on merge and center. All right, and here we can say client store report. All right, and click that thing. Make it bold and little bigger. Choose the style. I want this. All right, and now I want the font size to be at least 22. All right, and now I want this black, not black background. I want the background kind of this. This is just a moment. All right, come on here. What is the background color? So I need to choose the background of it, but not getting the option here. But just a moment. Come on here. Make it bold. Already it is. So this is client store report, and let me fill the color here, and this would be the color here. All right, client store report. We are going to provide a client store report here, and we can increase this thing here till here. All right, so everything is fine. Just a moment. Control Z. And what I was trying to do, I was trying to select couple of more cells to make it attractive and well. All right, so select those. Now it's perfect. It's perfect. All right, so first graph would be about, let's create the first graph here, merge the things, and say male versus female. Male versus female purchase. All right, so this is the first graph which we are going to cover up. Let me just a moment. So merge in center once again. Here you go. So male and female purchase graph, and let me insert the color over here. Color would be the same. Or let's change a color bit. All right, all right. So male versus female purchase we are going to paste over here. All right. So from where we'll take the purchase, come inside the sheet 2. This is sheet 2. Okay, let's keep the same name. And now I need a graph. Select this, and we need the pivot chart. Insert. Inside that we are getting a pivot chart here. I need a chart in the pie graph. Select this one. All right. And now come on here, and if you can see, just click on it. Chart data labels. Here you can see the values, but I need certain other things as well, such as in percentage. I need to have the values. All right, all right, all right. I need this one. Perfect. This one is perfect for me. I don't need those kind of values. Remove or hide all chart buttons. But I can customize this one. Total, if I'll say uh, male, uh, male versus female. This is a first graph, male versus female. All right, and now I'm gonna copy this graph and paste inside the sheet 3. Now we need to give the name of for this graph. So what name we can, let me customize it a bit. Let me customize that thing. All right, so now let's keep those things. Control X and paste everything here. So here we are right now. Okay, and this is the graph. And now let's have a another thing called pivot. We need a slicer. Okay, so we are having different graphs. We can choose any of them. I think this is quite fine. The outside values, if we are saying, is quite fun, but no, inside the values are okay. All right, so this is fine for me. Okay, this is fine. Now let's talk about another thing called slicer. In the pivot data analyze, there would be a slicer. Insert a slicer, click on it, and I need a slicer on basis of month. All right, on basis of month and age group. Age group. All right, I'm having a two slicer over here. All right, so here are two slicer. If we just click over here, click on this slicer. If we click over this slicer, what will happen? We can change. We can see the inst like immediate change here. All right, but here I'm selecting this. Yeah, it is also getting changed, right? It is also getting changed. So there is a connection between everything. I mean these graphs. So this is first report and first data visualization and first graph, which is telling us a lot of things. In which month, how many sales has been done, and what was the age group and what was the gender. All right. The question could be, my client wants to know how many uh female purchased. I mean, how much purchase gone through how many females and what was the age group. Then we can find that thing and give the better answer there. All right. So here we found everything very well. Now let's come back on. Let's give the name to this sheet as a report. Final report. Alright, this is final report. Come back now to sheet 2, I guess. Come back to sheet 2. Here we are. Now, not only this, let's see, I need a certain other things. So in Xander, let's analyze about, let me give you the graph about the state. Uh, Shape state are there, country are there, and another thing is currency. Yeah, so let's see the categories. Now, state of, remove this thing here. All right, so we are having a category and sum of amount, but I don't need this total. Then come inside the data, and not inside the data, subtotal is there. Remove subtotal from this. Here, let me select this entire thing. All right, not getting option to remove the subtotals. Just a moment. So, just a moment. What we need to do now? I don't need the subtotal. Then what I can do? Inside the data itself, this is subtotal. What I need to handle, because I don't require this subtotal, but why I'm getting this gender? Remove the gender one. Let's remove this gender one. Remove this field. All right. Now I'm having two things here. All right, and keep your eyes here. All right, and here I need to handle a couple of things. Pivot table. No need to get back. Come on here itself. Fill consolidated. Mm-hmm. I need. I don't need this subtotal, so I was trying to figure out how details groups. All right, just a moment. For now, let me remove it because I am not getting the option. I need to remove this subtotal. All right, to make it better. But I'm getting the data here. Okay, so not a problem. Do one thing. Let me press OK over here. Come on here, and for now, let's remove it manually so that I can get the better details. Mhm. I am supposed to remove that. Just get back again. All right, so we need to get back. Control and Z. This is another sheet is getting up in here, but I need to come here. All right, so here we are, but I need to remove the subtotal. Just a moment. I don't know. This is subtotal which I was supposed to remove, but it's not highlighting here. Then clear the outline. Just a moment. here you go, the view, page layout, grid lines. Come on in page layout. If there is option to remove the subtotal, no, there is no option. So inside the data itself, I was supposed to remove the subtotal by selecting this, but I'm not getting the option here. Let me do something for this. Stop it for now.